So right now I'm still walking in the village, guys, and I hope you are seeing in the background a lot of beautiful houses around. So today I want to go to see my mom's land. It's just right there, and I want to show you how it really looks. It's been a while without coming this side, so I decided today to come to this place only to show you how my mom's land and house looks. So I think you can see that the roads are not well constructed, because that is the village life. That's how the roads look. So I think my mom would say that my boy left me here in the village, but not actually not. But the one thing that I liked about the village, I hope you're seeing that the banana plants look nice. Hope you're seeing that. So the good thing that in this village there is a lot of food, and actually many people plant and or grow their crops and get free food. But the another thing that would seem to be like a challenge in town, that everything in town, it's just for money. If you don't have money, you can't buy anything in town. So I think that's another the first challenge that the village has better than the town. So but I hope you can see that. Hope you can see that the village is trying to develop beautiful houses and beautiful environment. You may ask yourself that why this village is very quiet, or this village has fewer people. It's not the fact. It's only that it's a Sunday and people are still in their homes, and that's why you see that it's like this. So I think let me go and show you how my mom's house looks like. So this is my mom's house. This is how it looks like. So this house is not it's not permanent. It's like temporary, because it was built by with the stones, and later on they plastered it with cement. So it's not permanent. So I think these are my mom's bananas plantation. And I think I should take a walk around this place. So guys, this is how my mom's land looks like. It's a very big land. Actually, we border with the river. We border with the river Mpanga. Those who don't know river Mpanga, it's actually that side there. So this hole was built just to collect water from that side, from the house, and it comes directly with that stream, and it pours it here. So that's a good planning. So guys, today my question was, is village life still better than town life? To me, I may say that the urban life is better than village life, but I think to some large audience, they may say that village life is better than town life, because in village everything is for free. Not for free, not totally free, a little bit free, because you cannot put in much money. but in town you put much money. That's the only challenge that I've just seen here in the village. So this is the river that we border with. This the river. Up to the other side, it continues. That is the river Mpanga, and it pours its water in the river Nile. Those who don't know, River Nile is the largest river here in Uganda, the River Nile, and it is a source of power. It's where we get electricity here in Uganda. So uh, that's River Nile. So this is the banana plants, the ones that you are seeing, but they are not growing good. You are seeing they are just smaller. I don't know why. I don't know if it is the fertilizers. They did add the fertilizers, because you can see that we grew up these sugar canes, but they are not coming well. We grew up these ones. They are not coming well. That's a sugar cane, guys, but they are not coming well. So even these are cassava. These are cassava, but also they are not growing well. I don't know why. So you can see that these are the leftovers of the cassava plants, but I don't know why they are not growing well. I think it's this land needs fertilizers, guys, because last time we constructed these trenches just to collect water, so that the land keeps with water, so that these bananas can grow well. You can see, yeah, they look nice, but they are smaller in size. You can see that they look good. They look good, but they are smaller in size, simply because I think of little fertilizers they added. That you see, they are not growing up well. That could be the problem. You can see, yeah. So yeah, that's how it is, guys. And I think you can see these are fertilizer. They tried to bring here like cow dung, so that to work as fertilizer. I hope you are seeing it. So this is another type of banana, but not like these ones that we eat. You can see, if you can show you how they grow. You can see that they don't grow well. It's just because of little fertilizer we have here. Yeah. So let me continue. Let me show you the sugar canes here. So this is the trench. It collects water also. You can see it collects water from up there, from this big trench. Here we have a big trench here. This one that goes right there. The one that one. So there is another branch, the small one, that collects water and pours. So these are the sugar cane. We have sugar cane here, but they are also not growing well. I think because of the fertilizers that you see, they are not growing well. So this is how my mom's land looks like, guys. It's actually big. It's actually big. Yeah. Aqui mbata zao zin. Aqui. Akatunga ku mbata hano.